Happy 17th birthday, Tito Virgie.
Happy birthday, Lord. Lola Virgie. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka na?
Happy birthday, Lola Virgie. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day po. Ayan.
Hello, Virgie, happy birthday! Kamusta na kayo dyan? Sana magkita ulit tayo, basta naman kayo Pilipinas. Okay na.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Dami ba ikaw handa?
Okay.
Hello po. Happy birthday po, Lola Virgie. At ingat po kayo ni Tito Alex. Ingat din po kayo Lola Nelia at Tita Samantha. Stay safe po. Hello po. Happy birthday po, Lola Virgie. Ingat po kayo lagi ni Tito Alex. Thank you, Tito Alex.
Happy birthday po, Tita Virgie. Ingat po kayo.
God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tita Virgie. Wishing a day filled with joy, laughter, and special moments to celebrate you. May this year bring you peace, success, happiness, and all the things that make you smile.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Virgie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the one of the best person I know. A sister who is generous and supportive to her siblings. Ate, dasal namin na nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at malusog ng pangangatawan ng Panginoon. At umaasa kami na one of this day ay magkasama-sama muli tayo. Inaasahan namin ate na maging special ang kaarawan mong ito. At higit sa lahat, your birthday be as unforgettable as you are every day. I love you!
Happy 70th birthday po, Tito Virgie. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung birthday nyo. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Canada.
Hello! Happy birthday, Sister Virgie.
Wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy and celebration as you mark this special milestone.
Even though we're far away, you're always in our thoughts, and we are very grateful for all the love and kindness you have shared over the years. May this new chapter of your life bring you health, happiness, and many more beautiful moments. Sending our love and best wishes.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Aunt Virgie. Hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep. Hooray!
Have a happy new year.
Happy birthday, Ate Virgie! We wish you good health, happiness, good luck, and sana mag-retired ka na rin para mag-enjoy ka na rin ng gusto sa buhay mo. Anytime you come here, you can visit us. Tapos, sana magkaroon din tayo ng reunion sa Pilipinas this year. Anything you wanna say? Happy birthday anyway, and regards to Alex to enjoy kung ano man ginagawa mo dyan.
Have a good year.
Have a
Have a good year, buddy.
Have a good year daw. We miss you. Love you. Happy birthday!